Good evening, students. Today I am with one more new video, and this video is regarding QBasic programming. So today's program is write a program to generate a series 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 up to 10 term. Now, what you will find out that each time the number is square of its. 1 square is equal to 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is equal to 9, 4 square is 5, 25 and up to 10 terms. So let's start this program. Yeah, students, you can type this program in notepad so that it can easy for you to handle the program. Let's see. I'm going to start the program and make it a little bit small for you so that it can be easily visible for you. Yes, so here I begin with the program. The first command is CLS. CLS means clear the screen. Clear the screen. Then I'll take n is equal to 1. N is equal to 1. A. This is one of the function. The first over here, the first part. If n is less than and equal to 10, then go to command is used to terminate the program in between, and we can send it to on the another line of a program, so or on the another function. So we call a function over here b. Go to b, and else go to c. We haven't defined b and c. Now b, print and exponent 2. It's the cause it is the exponent function is for the power. The next one is we have to increase the value of n. Initially the value of n is 1. Now we want to increase the value of n. So we'll write n is equal to n plus 1. Then go to A, C, and now initially the n is less than 10. It will print 1. Exponent 2 means 1 multiplied by 1. It will be 1. Then n plus 1 is equal to n plus 1 is equal to n is the initial value of n is 1. Now 1 plus 1 it's become 2. Then it will go to A. Is n is less than 10? Yes. Then go to B. Again it's print 2 raised to power 2 and so on. Now my dear students, we copy it, Control C or right click copy, open QB64 and press Control V. Now the program is here. You can see this program, it's here. Now to run this program, function key F5. The program is running. You can see the output 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81 till 10 term. It's same like this. So my dear students, I hope you must understand this program. If you feel any kind of problem, you can ask me. So dear students, do your best give your best, do your practical very fine, and get good marks. God bless you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.